All right, we're gonna challenge the weirdest bowler in the world. This is Tim Cagle.
Hi, that's me.
A little bit of background, Tim and I used to bowl juniors against each other.
Yeah.
I remember the title match at Cloverleaf, the YBT one, yeah.
I had a 1990 Fab Black Hammer.
I remember in my head, I was like, if I lose to this guy.
I had just got that ball a week before from a guy that I used to work with, and he was like, you should throw this. And I was like, okay. And I threw it, didn't know a thing about urethane, and now I'm stuck throwing it.
And now we had, what, you got 4 titles, 5 titles?
Five.
This guy's got 5 PBA regional titles, so.
Yeah.
As odd as it may look, when he's rolling, he's rolling.
Sometimes, yeah.
Let's get it.
Are we doing rock, paper, scissors to start? Or?
Well, you're the guest, so you can go first.
Okay.
I don't really have a rule, just...
Yeah, you did the wrong thing. I like going first.
Actually, shout out to South Point for letting us come up in the plaza to shoot. If you guys are ever in Vegas, they are, I believe, the #1 rated bowling center here. You probably won't get to bowl up here, but you can come up and check it out. It's open sometimes. They always have employees up here, but the doors were locked this morning, and they continue to be locked as we leave and come back, so I don't know. Sounded like it could have been 10 back. Did you throw it to the half board?
Yes, and it hooked immediately.
I haven't thrown a shot in about 15 minutes, so this should be good. I'm gonna throw the brand new, well, at the time of we're shooting, the Viking. I've thrown nothing but urethane on this pair as well, so. Whoa!
Reactive.
I don't like my chances. They have new lanes here.
Maybe that's why my purple didn't look like it usually does here.
Was it hooking way too much?
No, it didn't hook enough.
Oh.
Super early, but never did anything in the back.
Maybe they leveled the lane. I want to see what the topography looks like. Like if
I know
it's
you
the
want to
same
see
as
the
before.
topography on, what is that, 25 and 6?
33 and 4.
Oh.
Yeah, let me hit that pair. I'd be really happy if I hit that pair. Happy as in absolutely furious. If you know, you know. Quick second, guys. Just want to let you know that League Night and vlogs have moved over to the Vitamin D Tang channel, so if you guys haven't subscribed over there yet, link is in the description below. And let's go back to the action. That's got to go hard. Come on, don't give him a chance. Still the front 9. Actually, if I have the front 9, you could still win very easily.
I had front 8 on Monday, and then I sucked. I 7-pinned, and then I piered one, and I bucketed, and I missed the high game pot by 2 sticks. I was not happy.
I was kind of sad. I had so I bowl 7 games of league every Tuesday.
Yeah.
And it's kind of entitled, but like if I don't have the front at least 7 or 8, at least one time in those 7 games, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, the first league, I started with like spare striker, strike spare every game. I was like, damn it, no! Roll it! How did you learn how to bowl like this?
How?
How?
We've had this discussion before.
How? Well, we haven't had this discussion on YouTube.
Yes, we have.
We have?
Yeah.
Well, let's have it again.
Okay, well,
for all the new people that are going to click on this video.
This is true, yeah. When I was 4 or 5, I started bowling and playing basketball at the same time.
Okay.
And chest pass was the major thing in basketball, because when you're 4 years old, 10 feet is a little too high to shoot.
So what you're saying is we need to go play basketball later.
We need to go play basketball, yeah.
There's a basketball court by the house.
That'd be a lot of fun. But yeah, basketball, and so the chest pass was the most important thing when we were 4.
Little pickup. So yeah. Brad and Kyle are filming over there right now. Kyle is probably the most disgusting player here.
Kyle.
He's gross. And you don't want Brad defending you. He's not good, but he's enthusiastic.
I was gonna say there must be a lot of effort in defense.
He's scrappy.
Yeah.
Like he will wear you down.
I can shoot. I just got to get the.
Do you shoot it the same way? Is it like?
That'd be awesome, but no. My form is very Chris Mullen-like.
Chris Mullen-like.
Yeah.
Golden State Warriors fan.
And I'm decent.
Decent.
If I haven't played in a long time, I can't dribble though.
I'm like a 3-and-D guy without the 3 and without the height.
I'm a 3-and-D without the D.
Oh, we're the perfect team.
That's better.
Okay.
Right lane, don't hook.
Very nice. Timmy chest pass, that's 280 through 3. I've got 300 through 2. I don't remember where I was standing. This feels rightish. That's not great. Mike, we walled him up. Got a 220 cameo right here. If you guys don't see it, you probably don't see him, but he's here.
Darren, dang.
Go subscribe to 220 Average Bowler. Subscribe to Tim Cagle. I don't know how much he posts on YouTube anymore.
I try to do enough, but
follow him on his socials. What are your socials? Do you use socials?
Facebook and YouTube, man. I don't have any of the other stuff.
You're like an old man.
I am an old man. How old are you?
I'm older than you.
Barely.
So I'm 32.
Yeah, barely. I'm 30.
Well, back in the day, that was a lot of years. Yeah, now we're basically the same age.
Yeah.
It starts with a 3, you're the same. It's all the same. I like that one. Let's
you
go.
just wanted to embarrass me, that's
Let's
all.
go. It's all for content. I bowled 300 against the weirdest bowler. Like I said, we're not talking about his bowling style either. Oh, this is a righty rack. I picked the right pair to bowl on. Oh.
Did you guys throw some shots on the left side over
No. Maybe we threw enough shots so all the oil started to move over there.
Jesus.
Oh, you didn't bowl at all on this pair, huh?
I wanted to give it a fresh look for you.
Whoops.
Darren had the upper hand the whole time.
I mean, you owned me last year at the regional, so this is my payback.
I did it, Darren.
That looks eerily familiar.
Yikes.
Yeah, definitely go over to 220's channel and watch the three-handed bowling, and you'll know. You'll know. Timmy Oddball gets them all. It's 248. Might need that purple ball.
Purple balls. I mean, maybe on the right. Actually, you know what?
Have you ever been on staff with anybody?
No.
Because you want to throw all the urethane balls?
In case I need to, yeah.
That's smart.
That and never had the opportunity to sign. They won't sign me.
Really?
Yep.
I feel like you're a great opportunity to market.
That's what I think too.
Like you're different.
Yeah.
Different is good. Different is interesting. People want to watch different. I hope people want to watch different. Your ball hooks a lot on the right side of the lane.
It does. It's weird, but when I go and try to play in the track with you guys, it doesn't.
I found throwing the back of the ball, it's really hard to hook it because you have to go across your body so hard.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
You keep the ball in front of you, so I feel like it wouldn't. I don't know. I'm not even going to try to think about it. I just don't know. All right, we got a little front four action here. Let's see if we can make some good ones. It's not terrible. This ball is...
You walled them up.
So if you throw the urethane ball to the right and then you move inside and use the urethane hold, good things happen. But when you do that on the house shot, bad things happen. Bad things. See if we can exit this one real fast. Increase our rev rate for no reason. Oh my God.
We have a match. Although, you're gonna throw back up at this to make it?
Yeah.
I figured.
You have to go for it. It's YouTube. It's like YouTube golf. You have to go for every par 5 and 2. You have to drive every drivable par 4. You have to hole in one every par 3. Oh my God, that hooks so much. Off my hand, I thought it was money. And then it said, someone put the brakes on that thing.
What am I doing? Wrong ball. Let's try the purple. We're gonna cheat. It's Kentucky purple too.
What is the most obscure thing someone has ever said to you about your bowling?
We had a really old guy, close to home too. He was talking a lot of crap behind me while I'm bowling. He said, I bet you can't do that on a sport shot. And then I pulled up a video of where I won and he didn't say anything. So,
Has this guy ever won anything?
no, some
I love that.
random old dude at...
I like it. Some random old guy that his favorite bowler is Earl Anthony, used to watch bowling in the 60s.
He was probably just one of the purists that, you know, didn't like what I was
We
doing.
love purists. Shout out Brian Voss. BV.
He's actually really cool to me.
Brian Voss?
Yeah.
I like Brian Voss.
I haven't seen him in a long time.
I
but
love
yeah.
watching him on TV. I used to love watching him on TV. Oh my God.
There we go.
If only you can throw that this weekend. We're bowling a regional this weekend, by the way. It's the last one of the year.
I need to bowl goods to make the RPI.
Qualifier.
I would like to be 4 for 4.
Even with the bonus spot?
I can get away with bowling okay, but I have to surpass at least one bowler to make it.
So you're 1 out? Or are you 2
Technically.
out?
I'm 1 out, but
I'm not going, so you're technically the first in?
no. I counted you as not going because you said you were going to
so you're
Korea.
technically 2 out.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're going to messenger 7 here.
Oh, went back to the black one. The purple one would have struck.
The left lane hooking, so the black ball looks really good.
Purple one would have struck. So you got 218 left. I just have to stay clean with good count. But if I throw another 210, you never know. You'll never know. Don't you have a protege that throws it just like you?
I used to. He doesn't really bowl much anymore.
No?
But Connor Lopez, he was left-handed and threw it on the right side of the lane. It's kind of weird, but he made it work.
I
There's
feel
a
like
couple of bowlers
if you
out
ever throw a ball a certain way, like you just find a way to make it work.
Yeah,
As
exactly.
Kids, we're stubborn. We're just stubborn little guys.
And he had the same story. He was just too small to really be able to hold a bowling ball with one hand, so that's just what he did.
I feel like that's a lot of two-handers too.
Yeah.
Like Chris started bowling when he was 1.
Chris,
Bye. And obviously, you're 1 year old. You're not. 6 pounds is pretty heavy. All right, now let's throw some good shots. Oh, that's not good.
Stand up 6. But
it's a good result.
Forrest's little boy,
is he bowling?
He's doing the chest pass right now too, because he's still a little too
because he's
small.
watching Uncle Timmy. She said, that looks cool, let me do that. Yeah, shout out Forrest, go follow him, subscribe to him.
You. Get well soon.
He's hurt right now, that's why he's not here. The last couple years he's been to the content shoot, it's been a really good time.
Looking
at your
Darren's
spares.
taking part of the game of hooking at your spares.
I'm just getting really lazy.
Yeah.
Like in the league, I don't even set up. Like if I leave a 4-pin or a 7-pin, I just pick up my ball and I'm like.
In league, I don't set up for spares either. I just go up there and throw it.
It's so bad.
Routine though. I mean,
I really don't like bowling league. I like bowling the YouTube league because it's fun bowling with Lance and it's fun, you know, just doing the YouTube video. But
it does create some bad habits.
Yeah, any regular kind of league, I just don't treat it the same. Like it's my fault.
Yeah.
But it just doesn't feel the same.
Definitely.
I'd rather spend my time practicing because I could get better doing that.
Yeah.
When I'm bowling for score, it's really hard to practice at the same time. So I end up just not. And then when I bowl bad, I just get mad. Help!
Uh-oh.
All right, there's a lot of life
You're
here.
trying to help me out here.
There's a lot of life.
I just got to get a double.
I'm gonna do what you do. I'm gonna hook it the other way.
Oh yeah. Wait, back up.
He said I just gotta get a double and I win.
No, I just got to get a double to do something. That'd be nice, you know.
I'm just yipping it. I'm just thinking too much now. King Julian Salinas.
Cutter. Oh, you got one. Woo, you barely clipped it. Nice.
Yes. Shout out Julian. That's my dog.
All right, Kentucky, do the right thing. Oh man, I dropped my chamois.
You know what? Just stay aggressive.
What we got?
We just gotta be
18?
aggressive at it. 240 left. Well, I'm holding true. Staying clean. Oh my. Okay.
The purple hit right there, baby.
Okay.
Should I go to the purple again?
I would.
See, I'm afraid.
I really couldn't say that. I've never thrown one before.
I know, right? Imagine you with a purple. That'd be kind of sick. You think you would have won more or less?
I don't know.
Cannot disclose. Got an NDA?
I don't know. I don't know. I truly can't say. Who knows? Maybe really good, maybe really bad.
We're going to try it.
The world will never know.
Yeah.
The purple hammer era is coming to an end. Needs it.
Got it.
Gets it. Oh, let me make this real interesting.
This lane hook a lot. That lane don't hook.
It's kind of no fun that I finished first. So it's a prerequisite for me to make it interesting.
Well, I mean, you got a couple of circles around your score here. You can do that again.
That's true.
Got the 10 out.
The count just keeps getting worse. If I pick this up, what do I need? 9 spare 9?
It sucks that I'm finishing on my bad lane here. But I have thrown.
Aren't you finishing on the good lane?
No, I'm finished on the bad lane. The lane that don't hook for me.
You got a double?
Yeah,
You got a purple hammer. Oh boy, feeling a little pressure here.
Can't math very well.
I need
31.
9 spare 9.
Yep.
I gotta fill 19. I'd rather strike 9 out.
Yikes.
You know what'd be really exciting is if I get a strike here and then I big 4.
I was gonna say, yeah, strike.
And then I have to get 3 of them.
Strike, Greek Church, spare.
As I'm coming off of 2, 8, 10, 3, 10. Here we go. Oh, that's really bad.
Oh no! All right, make your spare and do that again. Make a 7-pin with it.
I don't foresee the 7-10. If anything, I could see another 2, 8, 10.
4-9?
I don't like hooking at the 9 pin, but I don't want to put my thumb in the ball because it hasn't been in the ball for about a half an hour now.
Shots.
So if I miss this, that's just on me.
Uh-oh. It looked like you might have 9-pinned again if it was a strike there.
Oh my God. I didn't see this coming.
Strike out to lose
like,
by 1.
I got the front 9, or I got the front 5. He's got 80 in the 5th. That should be okay. 2, 8, 10. All you got to do is spare out. That might 2, 8, 10.
Uh-oh. 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 Tim's really good at striking when he needs to.
I'm not a YouTube bowler today. I'm already 0 for 1. 0 for 1 in the 10th. I'm guaranteed a tie though.
Come on, Kentucky, do your thing.
See, you just had to pull out the illegal ball. Couldn't have scripted it any better. As if I could 8-10 like that on purpose. Was that the right ball to throw? I don't know. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I can move a little further left.
Don't move 2, it might go high.
I don't know. 2 and throw it harder. That's my go-to.
Here we go.
For the tie, right? Yes.
There's a front 5 and there's about to be a back 5. And both came to 218.
Right. The front 5 is more annoying when you do that.
You should probably re-rack that. It's a bad rack.
I was the first person to take a re-rack on your channel.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
I think I still 7-pinned.
I think the quality of this video is going to be much better than the Gold Coast one.
Yeah. Was it Gold Coast? I thought it was Orleans.
I don't remember ever.
No, it was Gold Coast.
I think I've shot videos at the Orleans once. I might not be allowed to go back there.
Yeah.
They didn't like one of the videos I posted.
I see. All right.
Big shot here. For all the marbles. More prestigious than your 5 titles.
That's good.
He said that's good. He said that's good. I told you to take the re-rack.
Damn it.
That was a bad rack.
I know, but I didn't want to be that guy again.
All right, guys. If
Good
you
ball.
enjoyed the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment for our boy here, Tim Cagle. Very unique bowler. He's overcome the odds, overcome all the old guys in the back talking all that shit. So go follow him on Facebook.
Or just subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to his channel.
Work, yeah.
Subscribe to his channel too, and we'll see you in the next one.